thinking about making your business official, forming an LLC is one of the smartest moves you can make. And if you're looking at Wyoming specifically, you've probably heard that it's one of the most business-friendly states in the country. And that's not just a marketing phrase. Wyoming has some of the best legal protections and tax benefits for small business owners anywhere in the United States. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about starting an LLC in Wyoming using LegalZoom. We're going to break it down step by step, explain each part in plain language, and by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of what to expect. Whether this is your first business or your fifth, this guide is designed to take the confusion out of the process. So what is an LLC and why start one? Let's start with the basic. An LLC, which is short for limited liability company, is a business structure that's designed to protect your personal assets from any business-related risks. That means if your business ever gets sued or ends up in debt, your personal bank account, your car, and your house are all typically off limits. They can't be taken to pay for business expenses or lawsuits. But the benefits of an LLC go beyond just protection. Another big advantage is flexibility, especially when it comes to taxes. With an LLC, you can choose how you want to be taxed. Most people start out as a pass-through entity, where the business income is simply passed through to your personal tax return. But you can also choose to be taxed as an S Corp or even a C Corp later on if that makes more sense as your business grows. And let's not forget about the perception of professionalism. Having LLC at the end of your business name tells clients, vendors, and partners that you're serious about what you're doing. It's a small detail, but it can go a long way in making you look credible. Now, why Wyoming? What makes it different from any other state? Well, Wyoming has a reputation as one of the most business-friendly states in America. Here's why. First off, there's no state income tax. That's huge. It means you get to keep more of what you earn. For a lot of small business owners, that's a big reason to consider forming their LLC in Wyoming, even if they don't necessarily live there. Second, Wyoming has strong privacy protection. When you form an LLC in some states, your name and personal address are published on the state's business database. In Wyoming, you can use a registered agent service and keep your personal identity off those public records. That extra layer of privacy is a big plus. Third, it's just plain affordable and efficient. The state filing fee is low, just around $100, and the annual report fee is based on your business's assets located in Wyoming, with a minimum fee of just $60. If you're running a lean operation, that's a win. Now, why use LegalZoom instead of doing it yourself? Okay, let's talk about why we're even bringing LegalZoom into this. You might be thinking, can't I just do this on my own? And yeah, you absolutely can. Wyoming has a decent Secretary of State website, and they let you file online. But if you've never done this before, or you just don't want to deal with the paperwork, LegalZoom is like having a GPS for the whole process. It takes you through each step, makes sure you don't miss anything, and it saves you a lot of time. Here is the way I like to think about it. Doing it yourself is like assembling IKEA furniture without the instructions. You can probably figure it out, but there's going to be some cursing and some confusion along the way. LegalZoom is like having someone stand next to you with the instructions already open, guiding you through it. Plus, they offer some add-ons like getting your EIN or your employer identification number, setting up your operating agreement, and even acting as your registered agent if you want them to. So if you're someone who likes having everything handled in one place, then LegalZoom's got you covered. Step by step, how to start a Wyoming LLC with LegalZoom. Now let's walk through the actual process together so you know exactly what to expect. Step 1, click the link down in the description to get started with LegalZoom, and it'll bring you to this page right here. Once you're on this page, you just click on Start My Business, and then here you can go ahead and choose your LegalZoom package. So there's 3 different packages to choose from. There's the basic, and this includes your name check, filing your articles of organization, and a digital welcome packet. The Pro plan adds your operating agreement, your EIN, and a few other perks, and the Premium plan includes everything in the Pro plan, plus you get 30-minute consultations with the business attorney and the ability to make changes to your formation documents for 30 days. So you can start with the basic plan, and you can add services later on if you want, but if you know that you're going to need an EIN and an operating agreement, which most people do, the Pro plan usually makes the most sense. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and choose the basic plan and show you how you can make some upgrades in just a second here. Step 3, enter your business name. Now, this part's kind of fun. You get to name your business. Make sure that the name you want is unique and it follows Wyoming's naming rules. It has to include LLC or limited liability company somewhere in the name. If the name's taken, LegalZoom will let you know and give you the option to tweak it. Sometimes just adding a word or rearranging things filings can make the name available. So for this example, I'll go ahead and call this Eric's Coffee Shop. We'll pretend that I'm opening up a coffee shop in Wyoming, and we'll go ahead and click next. So step 2, again, choose Wyoming as your state. When LegalZoom asks you which state you're forming your LLC in, choose Wyoming. This is going to make sure that all the next steps are specific to Wyoming's requirements. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference because every state has different rules. And then we'll go ahead and scroll down to the very last one here, Wyoming, and click next. Next, it's just going to ask who the primary contact will be. You can go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number here. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave this blank for now and click next. Then it's going to ask what our coffee shop will do. So I'll go ahead and just type in coffee and type in coffee shop, and go ahead and click next. So here it's just saying, let's keep your LLC compliant. Government entities, including the Secretary of State, have specialized requirements for operating a business legally. Our solutions help ensure that you protect your business from fees, penalties, and potential closure. So we'll go ahead and click on next. And then here we can go ahead and select a plan to add some additional features to our basic plan that we chose at the beginning. So you can either say no thanks if you don't want it, or you can go ahead and select a plan. So we have a couple different options here. You can get just the operating agreement, and this is your company's constitution. It sets guidelines to settle disputes and protect your assets. There's an operating agreement plus an EIN, or you can get operating agreement, EIN, and forms and e-sign. So this is still cheaper than the pro plan if you wanted to go this route. So I'll go ahead and select that for this because it's the best value. And then next, it's just going to ask, if you want help separating your personal and business finances by setting up a business bank account with Bank of America. If you want to bank with Bank of America, you can go ahead and select that. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and click no thanks. And then there's a few more enhancements for the order here. You can select to get 1-day expedited processing. If you need that, you can pay $99 for that. Or if you are not in necessarily a rush, which most of you probably aren't, you can go ahead and select the 5 to 14 day standard processing. And then there's the founder's kit. If you want to keep all your documents printed out in one place, you can pay another $99 for that. I'm gonna go ahead and say no thanks and click on next. All right, and the last step, just review everything and pay. Once you've filled out all your information and you've picked your services, LegalZoom will give you a summary of your order. Make sure to double check everything, and then you'll just check out and pay the state filing fee, which is $100 for Wyoming, plus what other services that you added. So LegalZoom takes all major credit cards, and after that, LegalZoom handles the rest. They'll send you your info to the Wyoming Secretary of State and email you once your LLC is approved. After you've formed your LLC, you're not totally done just yet. And here are a few things that you'll also want to knock out after your LLC is approved. Open a business bank account. Now that you've got your LLC and your EIN, you can open a business bank account. Keeping your business and personal money separate is important. It protects your liability status and makes taxes easier. Set up accounting or bookkeeping. Even if you're just tracking expenses in a spreadsheet for now, start keeping records. Later, when your business grows, you'll be glad that you did. Get any required licenses. So depending on what you do, you might need a local, state, or even federal license. For example, if you're opening a restaurant, offering financial advice, or selling physical goods, there might be some extra steps. You can check with your local government or let LegalZoom guide you there as well. File your annual report. So every year, Wyoming requires LLCs to file an annual report. The minimum fee is $60, but it could be more depending on your business assets in Wyoming. So mark your calendar and don't skip it, because if you forget, your LLC could fall out of good standing or even be dissolved. So starting an LLC in Wyoming using LegalZoom is one of the easiest ways to make your business official. You don't have to know all the legal jargon or stress over missing a form. LegalZoom walks you through the whole thing in about 30 minutes or less. Now, is it the cheapest option? No, but for a lot of folks, the convenience and the peace of mind are well worth it. Plus, once your LLC is up and running, you'll be glad you took the time to do it right. So if you've been sitting on an idea or a side hustle and wondering if now is the time to take the next step, this is your sign. So if you want to get started getting your LLC set up in Wyoming using LegalZoom, you'll find a link for LegalZoom down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on LLC Deals, we cover everything that you need to know about forming, managing, and scaling your LLC or holding company, plus some smart tax strategies and business tips to help you grow. So be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.